Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to have you guys back for another video. Today we are going to tour this house for fall. This is going to be the last fall house tour or any last fall home decor. So I hope you enjoy this. If this is your very first time you are here, go ahead and click on that like button and the subscribe button. I will truly appreciate you being over here. Let's get into the house tour. Let's start on this side of the house, guys. I truly love the simplicity of this table. Somewhere to keep your keys, also having a little bit of candle and some flowers. I truly love this Amazon floated table. I think it brings out, my style in the house, and I just truly wanted to keep it very simple. I think it's truly beautiful. On the other side is another credenza that I love decorating for the holidays, and I think this turned out so pretty. I didn't do much, and me, I love my white, so I decided to stick with all white on that end of the table. Let's go closer into the living room, guys. If you're new here, you might not know, I truly love simplicity, and I have a little baby who is a year old, so having things that the baby can go ahead and touch and break, it's very troublesome. This was only used for you guys, but I did not keep this on the table. I did not want to have a disaster. So after this was decorated, I truly removed it and brought it back. But this is how everything remained on the table. Is just so pretty. I feel like the warmth of the flowers from afar, and the candles light up. It brings so much joy here. That's what fall and the holiday means to me, bringing that type of joy into my household. I truly love the Amazon floated table. I just added a little bit of floated touch into my house, and I think I truly like it.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now I'm not.
This year, my upstairs dining room, family room, and everything upstairs has truly been my favorite part of my house. I feel like the colors there, the warmth there, just brought so much light into the house. I decorated my dining table for fall, and it turned out so pretty, guys. We can have dinner here, we can gather together, and I just love the view of this dining room table. I usually don't decorate my dining room table, decorate much of my place at all. I like it keeping it very simple. For me, it helps me to clean the house, but when it comes to around the holidays, I really want to create this atmosphere that brings joy into the house. So decorating the dining room table for me was everything, and just kept a little bit of some warmth in the house. I love upstairs. Upstairs is just my favorite.
Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
The entryway is the first place someone sees when they come to your house. Mine is very narrow, it's very small, and I like to keep it very clean. This fall, I just decorated the table with some candles and some florals and called it a day. You do not have to go ahead and spend a lot of money to decorate your home for any season. I was able to cut some stems right on my front porch from the tree that needed really good trimming, and I love the plum colors. Truly looks like fall. For me, fall is not just about the home decor, it's about the family, the whole activity. Took my kid to a pumpkin patch and we went and literally indulge into the season. I love the bloom of the mums right here. It just reminded me of the flowers that I added into my house. Even though it's not mums, it just had the exact same colors. My kids love getting themselves pumpkins and we play a lot of games. It's just, this is fall for me, you know. And then when we get into the Thanksgiving season where we are grateful for family and friends around, and you know, just having what people dream to have. You know, I just really wanted to share this part of my life where it's not just about the home decor. Yes, I love to have a clean home. Yes, I love to come back to a beautiful styled home. But this is it. We spend majority of our weekends here or sometimes the weekdays when I take off and enjoy with the family. On this day, Hubby was with us and oh my God, I love his presence there because he made us laugh so much. What do you guys do for your Thanksgiving or for fall? Like, do you guys watch football games? Do you guys have movie nights? Do you guys go to pumpkin patch? What do you do? Because this is literally all that we do, and I'm sharing that with you guys. Hopefully this inspires you. Fall is not yet over, it just literally started. So enjoy your home. Let's continue. I found myself gravitating to the less is more, minimalism, and so far living this type of lifestyle has tremendously improved my way of living. And you guys have been here since the beginning of my journey, and I know you loved it because I can see it in the comments. Guys, take me to 4K. If you're new here, I would truly appreciate if you subscribe. If you love simplicity, but you also love home decor, or you're in between, many of you guys left in the comment that you have started your minimalistic journey. Some of you guys have truly, fully become minimalist. Come and join me. Leave comment below. Let me know how this channel has inspired you. Stay tuned for the holidays, Christmas, things like that. It's going to be amazing, and we are going to vlog for Christmas as well. I cannot wait. Well, God bless you guys. Take care. Until the next video. Bye, y'all.